2-minute conviction today is dream carefully. Dream. I'm a dreamer. I am all for letting your imagination go wild. Let your heart wonder at the possibilities. Kind of imagine what your better next future looks like. Like I say, dream. Dream with a big open mind. Dream big. I think dreaming's good. I think it's powerful. And sometimes my dreams come out of my prayer time. Sometimes it comes out of my talking with friends and family. It comes out of thinking and contemplating and journaling. I mean, you can be inspired so many different sources. But my encouragement is dream. But dream carefully. Remember, your dreams are not necessarily prophetic, factual certainties, but good things can still come from dreaming. But dream carefully. Don't let disappointment or delay or despair or any form of discouragement set in if the dreams don't materialize as and when you imagine. Dream carefully. We were watching a movie just the other day, and there was a line in that about Rudyard Kipling's poem, the poem If. And it's worth a read. But in that poem, he says, dream, but don't let dreams become your master. It reminds me of the scripture that says, a man plans his ways, but it's God who directs his steps. It doesn't say you shouldn't plan your ways. Dreaming is positive, but don't let it be your master. Don't let it control you. Don't let it frustrate you. Let the dreams percolate, but hold them carefully. They're fragile. There's no guarantees. There are circumstances outside your control. Dream, but hold them carefully so that disappointment and despair don't set in. Don't let them be your master. So my 2-minute conviction is dream. Dream carefully, but dream nonetheless. And be surprised at what comes of your future as you think about all the possibilities ahead. So that's my 2-minute conviction. I hope you enjoy living out your own. Have a great week.